Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to see uh, types of random variable. Okay, so this is second lecture on random variables. So there are two types of random variables. First, discrete random variable. Second, continuous random variable. Okay. So what is discrete random variable? If the range of a random variable is finite or it is an infinite sequence. Okay. Then the random variable is eight. Okay. Then the random variable then the is called discrete random variable. Okay. Example, tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. So what is sample space? This is HNT. So we are defining so random variable s from R to is this x h is equal to 1 and xt is equal to 0. So what is range of x? Range of x is 1 and 0. So which is finite? Finite. Okay, range is finite. So this is discrete random variable. So this implies x is discrete random variable. Okay. Example 2. tossing a coin until a heads comes. Okay. Until a heads come. So what is the sample space? H, T, H, T, T, H, T, 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 H, and so on. Okay. So what is we are defining a random variable from S to R. How? So it is giving one. So position of a head. Okay. In the sample point. And so on. Okay. So what is the range of x, that is 1, 2, 3 up to this. This is a sequence. This is a natural. So this is sequence. Okay. Infinite sequence. Infinite. So this implies x is discrete, random, variable. Okay. So now what is continuous random variable? Continuous random variable. Okay. If the range of a random variable contains an interval is called continuous random variable. Okay. So example 3. Let X contain sample space CR. CR is circle centered at origin and having radius in between this range. Okay. So I'm defining a random variable x from this to r. That is CR is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. Then what is the range of x? Range of x is nothing but open 0 to 10 pi. Okay. Close interval. So what is the range? This range is contains interval and interval. Okay. So we can take whole interval 0 to. So this implies x is continuous random variable. Okay. Now, second example, example 5. S is equal to CR. So CR is a circle centered at origin and having radius in this range. So this implies, so I'm defining a random variable on this CR is equal to 2 pi R. Okay. Or you can take pi R square. Okay, no problem. Pi R square. So what is the range of S? This is 0 to infinity. So this contains interval. Interval. So of the form, any you can take direct this range, this also interval, or you can take a smaller interval, but it contains interval. Okay, so this implies, X is a continuous random variable. Example 5. Example 5, you take this one. Let X be random variable. The random variable defined by the waiting time in hours between successive feeders supported by supported by a radar unit. The random variable. Okay, so for this random variable, the random variable X takes the random variable X takes on all values takes all values X for which X greater than or equal to 0. So what is the range of X for this random variable? Closed interval 0 to infinity. So this contains intervals. Actually, range is exactly an interval, but it also contains a smaller interval. So this contains an interval. So this implies X is this this X is a continuous random. Okay. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any problem related to, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much. We will see you in next lecture.